Act as best script write and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content, and remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 21. DJI Osmo Pocket 4, Dual 1-inch. Sensor price and release date, 2025. YouTube https www.youtube.com. Watch VAUPSEV-ZW3W transcript 0000. Get ready because DJI might be on the verge of redefining portable camera technology with the highly anticipated Osmo Pocket 4. The leaks and rumors surrounding this device have generated considerable buzz if even a fraction of the speculation turns out to be true. The Pocket 4 could be a game-changer for vloggers, content creators, and anyone looking to elevate their mobile video production. So what makes this upcoming release so exciting? Let's take a deep dive into the music. Music details. One of the most talked about 047 aspects of the Pocket 4 is its expected design. Changes reports suggest that the camera will be slightly larger than its predecessor, weighing in at approximately 190 g. Despite the slight increase in size, DJI is expected to maintain its compact pocket-friendly appeal. But why the size boost? It seems DJI is making room for an upgraded rotating 2. Aero 1.13. 5-in touchscreen, a notable improvement over the 2-in display on the eye. Pocket 3. This enhanced screen will reportedly offer a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and brightness of up to 800 nits, making it easier to see under bright sunlight. A bigger display means better framing, easier menu navigation, and an overall improved user experience, something both casual users and professionals will appreciate ergonomically. The Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a more comfortable grip with improved button placement, reducing strain during extended shooting. Euro 1:48 sessions. If you've ever held a camera for long periods, you'll understand how valuable this change could be. Music under the hood. The Pocket 4 is expected to bring significant upgrades. The device is rumored to feature a 1-in CMOS sensor paired with a 20 f2.0 lens. A considerable leap in image quality. For context, a larger sensor allows for better image sharpness, improved low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range, meaning your footage will look stunning, regardless of lighting conditions. For video, leaks suggest an ISO range of 50:0231 to 6400, while still photography may extend to 16,000, making it a versatile tool in various environments. Another exciting addition could be support for 10-bit color depth D-Log, M, and HDR recording. These features will allow content creators to have greater flexibility during post-production, ensuring richer colors and finer details in their final output. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Pocket 4 is its potential to record 4K video at an astounding 240 frames per second. This is double the slow-motion capability of the 0313 Pocket 3, opening up new creative possibilities. Whether you're capturing action-packed moments, nature shots, or cinematic sequences, this feature will allow for ultra-smooth slow-motion footage with exceptional clarity beyond resolution and frame rates. The new sensor is expected to contribute to sharper images, better low-light performance, and an improved dynamic range combined with a more powerful processor. The Pocket 4 could handle larger data rates, enhance computational photography, and even provide real-time HDR previews. These improvements would, Euro 3.48, make editing faster and smoother, an essential factor for content creators who need to deliver high-quality videos quickly. Autofocus has historically been a hit-or-miss aspect of the Pocket series, with the Pocket 3 facing occasional issues. With focus hunting, DJI seems to be addressing this by incorporating phase detection, autofocus, PF, and EY tracking into the Pocket 4. If true, this would mean significantly smoother and more reliable, focusing particularly for fast-moving subjects. Imagine vlogging while walking through a crowded street, 0430. Your face stays in sharp focus without the camera struggling to keep up for action shooters and vloggers alike. This enhancement could be a game changer. Moreover, rumors suggest that Active Track 7.0 will be included, which would combine PDAF and eye tracking for precise subject tracking, ensuring smooth and well-focused footage even when your subject is constantly moving. Battery life can make or break a portable camera, and DJI appears to be making strides in this area. Reports indicate that the Pocket 4 will come, 0509, with a more efficient power management system extending recording times without sacrificing performance. Fast charging is another rumored upgrade, with some reports suggesting that the Pocket 4 could reach a full charge in just 25 minutes using DJI's PD charger. This would be a noticeable improvement over the Pocket 3's 32-minute charge time. While the exact battery capacity remains unknown, expectations are high that it will surpass the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh battery, making longer shooting sessions possible without frequent recharges, 0544. Additionally, better heat management is rumored, reducing the risk of overheating during extended use. Stabilization has always been a strong point for DJI, and the Pocket 4 is expected to take it even further. While the Pocket series has relied on mechanical stabilization, the new model might integrate advanced electronic stabilization algorithms for even smoother footage for creators capturing fast-moving scenes or executing dynamic shots. This improvement could make all the difference, whether you're filming a high-speed chase, an energetic sports 0624 event, or a simple handheld vlog. Expect more stability and fewer shaky clips. All these upgrades naturally come at a cost. While official pricing hasn't been confirmed, rumors suggest that the standard Pocket 4 could be priced at around $699, with the Creator Combo version costing $799. This is a noticeable increase from the Pocket 3, but given the significant improvements, many creators may find it a worthwhile investment. As for its release, sources indicate a potential launch in late 2026 or early 2027, following DJI's typical 3 years 07 to 09 product cycle. If these leaks hold, the wait may be long, but certainly worth it. Based on everything we've heard, the DJI Pocket 4 has the potential to be a game-changing device for content creators. The larger screen and improved ergonomics might seem like minor tweaks, but they contribute to a much better user experience. The biggest standout feature is undoubtedly the one-in sensor, which could significantly enhance low performance and image quality for creators who frequently shoot in less than ideal lighting conditions. This 0749 upgrade alone could justify the price. The addition of 10-bit color depth, HDR recording, and D-Log-M support will also appeal to those who want greater control over their final footage. The rumored 4K recording at 240 frames per second is another highlight, allowing for professional-grade slow-motion shots that could add a cinematic touch to everyday moments. Improved stabilization, better autofocus, and longer battery life all make the Pocket 4 an even more compelling choice for vloggers and mobile filmmakers, of course. Until DJI 8.24 officially unveils the Pocket 4, all of this remains speculation. However, if even half of these features make it into the final product, it's shaping up to be one of the best compact cameras for creators on the go. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, an avid vlogger, or just someone who wants a high-quality portable camera, the Pocket 4 is definitely worth keeping an eye on. So, what are your thoughts on the rumored features? Are you excited about the potential of the DJI Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments below, and stay Osmo 855 tuned for more updates, music,